Did you know that seed oils are often high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation in the body if consumed in excess? That's why many health experts are raising eyebrows about their impact on our diets. Seed oils have become a staple in modern cooking, often used in frying, baking, and as a component in processed foods. You might be consuming them without even realizing it. They're commonly found in vegetable oils like canola, soybean, and corn oil. Recent studies have raised concerns about the potential health risks associated with seed oils. Some research suggests that a high intake of omega-6 fatty acids, which are prevalent in these oils, can lead to chronic inflammation. This inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. The American Heart Association recommends limiting daily intake of omega-6 fatty acids, but the average American consumes much more than the recommended amount. This overconsumption can lead to an imbalance in the body's fatty acid profile, potentially causing a range of health problems. Experts also point out that seed oils are often highly processed, which can lead to the formation of unhealthy compounds. These compounds can be detrimental to our health, especially when consumed in large quantities. The impact of these findings on dietary choices and the food industry could be significant. As consumers become more informed, there's a growing demand for healthier alternatives to seed oils. This shift in consumer behavior may lead to changes in food production and labeling. Being informed about seed oils and their potential health risks is crucial. By understanding what's in our food and making conscious choices, we can take control of our health and well-being. A renowned researcher in the field of fatty acid metabolism has stated, "The balance of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids is crucial for maintaining health. An imbalance can lead to a range of chronic diseases." In conclusion, it's essential to be mindful of seed oil consumption and consider the potential risks. By staying informed and making healthier choices, we can promote a healthier lifestyle. If you've had any experiences with seed oils or have concerns about your diet, share them with us in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our other video on healthy alternatives to common cooking oils for more tips on making informed choices.